Hello and welcome to another one of our video tutorials for BounceBack. In this video we are going to show you how to get started with our newest release, BounceBack Ultimate 2020. This is a very simple to use backup program, as many of you would know. May have had the older versions at some point. After you install the program, you can from the monitor in the system tray, you can click and start a backup job. The welcome screen will open up and you will see a window with no backup jobs at the moment. So click add a backup job, and the first one we recommend you do is a full system backup, which would be highlighted, selected, and recommended. So while that's selected, click next, and the next screen will allow you to do a full system backup to an external drive, or an image backup to an external drive, or a network drive, or any other drives anywhere. But we're going to do a system backup to an external drive. This will just mirror your internal system drive to another drive. Click next. Here you select your target drive. I have 2 of those. You can select, if you have more than one, you can select either, or in my case I'm going to select the SATA 149 gigabyte. My source drive is already selected, and it is my internal system drive in my laptop. Click next. On the next screen you will select your options. You can schedule this to run on a regular basis. You can enable ransomware protection. This is a good idea if the drive is always connected, if the backup drive is always connected and on. This will disable it, disable the drive and only enable it when it's backing up. So it's a good option there. If you like, you can take advantage of it. The other one is inserting a boot menu into your system startup, so you can select to boot from Windows 10 from your internal drive, or from the backup drive that BounceBack will create for you. I'll leave them as is and click next. The next screen will show you how it's creating partitions in a target drive, but before it starts that, it will ask you if you want to enable the full disk encryption on your external drive, the backup drive. If you do that, you will have to enter your password, and remember that, because without the password you won't be able to access that drive. I'm not going to do that at this time. I'm going to click next. On the next screen, all you have to do is just confirm that you're okay with erasing the target drive, and it'll be reformatted and made available for this backup only. So click next, and BounceBack will start partitioning your target drive, and then formatting the partitions, and then starts writing to that drive. After a few minutes, it starts formatting. As you can see, it continues formatting the different partitions that it created on my external drive. Once it's finished, it will start copying the files. Now that it's done formatting, partitioning and formatting my external drive, it just started the process of copying all the files from your drive. Eventually it will calculate how much and how many files and how many bytes will be transferred. You can also slide this to yes if you want your computer shut down after the backup completes. That's all it takes for you to get started with BounceBack Ultimate 2020.